Smile, buddy. Hello, I'm Clay from a frog stream in Long Valley, New Jersey. And this is Gabriel, and we're here to bring you this week's Weekly Ribbit. So, a question we get asked a lot, especially towards the end of the summer like this, is why are my water lilies not blooming? And there's actually a couple reasons why they probably aren't blooming, or maybe you didn't get as many blooms as you do in years past. And I'm going to ask my local water lily expert what one of the reasons might be for us to not get water lily blooms on our water lilies during the summer. So, your name's Gabriel, right? Not Esteban.
Yeah.
Yeah. Gabriel, what's one reason why I might not be getting blooms on my water lilies?
Because there's not enough sunlight.
This is true. Water lilies need quite a bit of sunlight. Most water lilies need between 6 and 8 hours of sunlight a day. So if they're in too much of a shady of a pond, they're not going to get the sunlight they need to produce blooms. Would fish maybe be a reason why, Gabriel?
Yes.
What do the fish do that would cause me not to get blooms?
They eat the plant.
They do. Big koi love to chomp on water lilies, don't they?
Yeah.
They eat it, they pick at them, and they'll pull those buds right off, and you won't get the blooms that you were hoping to get. Another reason you may not be getting the blooms that you're hoping to get is water lilies love to be fed. They need to be fed on a consistent basis. So if you have water lilies, try to get them some food. Just get them some aquatic plant fertilizer, shove it in the pot or shove it in next to the water lily, and that'll help as well. And there's one other thing, Gabriel. What was that thing we were talking about before that you said that may prevent your water lilies from getting from your water lilies not getting many blooms or not growing that well?
Too much movement, like the aerator, could be a reason.
Water lilies don't like a lot of water movement. So if your water lily is next to your waterfall or you have a heavy aerator next to it, it may not do as well as other water lilies away from that water movement. So maybe move that water lily to a different spot of the pond and it should do better for you. So those are 4 reasons why your water lilies may not be getting blooms. The first one, sunlight. They need sunlight. The second one, fish. Fish will pick at those water lilies. They'll pull buds out. They'll pull new growth out because they're bored and they're just playing around. 3, food. They need to be fed on a consistent basis. I would say feed them at least once a month if you can, or get yourself a good once a year fertilizer. That will help your water lilies tremendously. And the 4th one is water movement, right?
Yes.
Yeah, water movement. So those are the 4 reasons why you may not be getting the blooms that you're hoping to get out of your water lilies, or why they might not be growing as prolifically as they have in years past. So that's this week's Weekly Ribbit. And don't forget, if this is your pond, make sure you click the link below that says I saw my pond to get your free AFD apparel. And if you have any questions, please make sure you click the link that says Weekly Ribbit question submission. Submit your questions, submit your pictures, so you too can be featured on the Weekly Ribbit. Thanks a lot for watching. Thanks a lot for watching. Thanks a lot for appearing today, Gabriel. And have a great week.